What is up, everybody? It's your boy Squidgrow. Let me bring you guys another YouTube video on ARBK. This crypto blockchain stock is one of my favorite ones. They have done a lot of things to prepare themselves for the next Bitcoin bull run, while also have things that hold them back that make it an actual investment for me. Right now, they are in debt because of a big purchase that they've made to get their business up and going and flowing. And they are paying off the debt incrementally, and not even incrementally. They're actually taking an aggressive approach, but it's incremental payments is of course to get it paid off. But with that being the thing that's holding them back, that is also the thing that gives them a lot of potential as far as revenue that they can have. They are on the lower side as far as market caps go because they, as you can see, are at a 77 million dollar market cap. Now, that's low, especially for a stock. But that also gives an opportunity of a high rise, and that's what I love about it. This video is titled "A Small Market Cap Crypto Asset That You Can Buy." And they have plenty of mining rigs, and these mining rigs are producing so much Bitcoin in a month that give it that profitability possibility. Now, we're going to touch on the big things. Three big things. First is that it's a small market cap. That's what makes me love it the most. It's a small market cap crypto asset that's also a fresh one. It's a newer one. I love those things about it, let alone the second thing, which is the fact that they have ways to grow. They need to grow, right? They need an economy. They need a space. They need opportunities to actually grow. And that gets me to the third point to why I really like them a lot. You have Bitcoin ETFs. You have Ethereum ETFs on the way. You have more and more governments embracing crypto. And we're getting away from COVID. So now we're seeing a possibility, and we also have Bitcoin halving period that's happening now. We're seeing an opportunity for Argo blockchain to actually run. And we just got news today, or like a day ago, Argo blockchain boosts Bitcoin output and revenue. They reported 24% increase in Bitcoin mining for the month of October, with 42, with 46, my apologies, 46 mined and a 36% rise in revenue to $3 million, driven by lower power costs. And not only that, but improved hash price. So, like I said, they have the debt, but they are also doing it and managing it in a way, and I'm trying to get this thing off the screen. There we go. We're good now. That can bring and generate more and more revenue. And as the debt leaves, the more revenue we would have. The interest rates go down. The possibilities of also increasing the revenue are realistic outside of just, oh yeah, we're going to mine Bitcoin at a steady rate and hopefully what happens happens. No, they are increasing their insiders trade, or their insiders trading is looking good. Their people are buying, or their CEOs, their executives are buying and holding their assets. And along with that, like I said, the way that the system is moving, the way that the economy or everything around it is moving, as far as the Bitcoin ETFs, like I said earlier, as far as the Bitcoin halving period, as I spoken on earlier, those present opportunities and events that also spike up the amount of revenue that can be generated from Bitcoin. And I also believe that Bitcoin, or the U.S. government, which Argo blockchain is within, or yeah, that they have to answer to, they are not going to have a cost for unclaimed revenue, which would usually come, especially in Japan, from having Bitcoin or having stocks that have a great time and a great period, but you haven't actually sold it yet. That is not going to be the case for Argo or ARBK. And I love that for them because it allows for them to actually hold the assets and decide when they want to sell them. And hopefully, I really do hope they choose the right time to sell their Bitcoin assets. Those are some of the quick reasons why I love Argo. There's also another stock named Riot and and Mara. Those stocks we'll talk about at a later date and time, and we'll also talk about Argo's PLC or Argo Blockchain PLC, an operational update for the month of October, which basically talks about some of the things I just shared with you, but we get to go into it in a little bit more detail. But I wanted to put and present this information to you guys, especially on this channel, because this is new information that I don't normally share, but I want to build an audience for this kind of information, especially as I am very excited about what we're about to see with Bitcoin. I am so excited. We're at the latter stages of the 4 year cycle, and I this is just exciting. It broke its all-time high. I want to see it break it again, and I want to see ARBK break like two. I want to see them break 160 um by the beginning or mid next week. I feel like that's the goal that I have set for ARBK, and it's a goal that I've set for it, right? And I'm trying, and this is one of those companies as well. I've been holding since the beginning of this year, since around January and December, that I've been trading since May of 2023 or two, and I really like it. I just really like it. I've liked what they've done. I've watched them from a distance and beforehand and seen how they manage things, and I like it, and I want to get long-term capital. I want my Excel to have long-term capital tax, and that would put me in a situation that's just very favorable. It's so favorable. So I'm trying to hold for the entire year. So you guys won't. I don't think you guys would hear that I sold very soon. It would be more so I'm excited with how it's performing right now, and I can't wait to see what it does even more in the future. With all that being stated, y'all guys have a blessed one and stay safe. Scripted Legend signing out. Peace.